Hello guys to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could add the time or the current time to an Excel sheet pages. So for example, this is the Excel sheet concern. You will have just to open it. You click on insert. You select header and footer. You select if you want a header or a footer and in which you want to include the time. And here, for example, I want to select one of these three boxes in the header. I will select the last one and I will select current time option. This will include the exact time which is included in your computer or which you have shown on your computer. So once done, you just click on save and you just close your browser, you just close your Excel sheet and the changes should have been done. So we'll just click save. Just click yes and the changes has been saved. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.